Hello everyone, let's crochet the pattern. I will begin from the foundation chain. I'm going to work in rounds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My pattern consists of one round and has one stitch. Pattern consists of one stitch and has one round. It is very simple and unusual at the same time. My foundation chain is ready, and now I will join in round. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch. Before the joining, you should check it shouldn't be twisted. So make a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. Let's crochet the first row of my pattern. Pattern consists of one round. Make chain of 2 to bring up the yarn. Insert the hook into the next stitch. Make a single crochet on the chain. So insert the hook into the chain stitch, pull up a loop, pull through first loop. Pull through 2 loops. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop. I'm making single crochet on the chain. Pull through first loop, pull through 2 loops. Then single crochet on the chain. Make a chain and single crochet. Here what I have. Continue working. Insert the hook into the chain stitch. Pull up a loop. Pull through first loop, pull through 2 loops twice. Insert the hook into the chain stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through first loop, pull through 2 loops. Insert the hook into the next chain stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through first loop, pull through 2 loops twice. Keep working this way till the end of this round. Let's complete this round with me. Here what I have. Insert the hook into the second chain stitch on the beginning of this round by making a slip stitch. My round is ready. Let's crochet round 2. It is going to be the same like the first one. Make chain of 2 to bring up the yarn. Make single crochet on the chain. Then chain and single crochet. And so on. Make chain and single crochet. 1, 2. Here what I have. It is very easy to make. You can use it to create scarf, snood or another accessories for home, kitchen or yourself. My pattern consists of one row and has one stitch. Make a chain and single crochet, chain and single crochet. Keep working in this way till the end of this round, as many times as you need for your project. So that's it, my swatch is ready. Here how it looks when you are done. I remind you it was pattern consists of single crochet on the chain. I work it in rounds. You can work in rows. This is one side, and let's look at the back side. So this could be double-sided if you want, or you can use only one side. You can use this pattern to create your own project such as hat, handband, or blanket, or another accessories for home, kitchen, or for winter time. And here how it looks in the brown color of yarn. This is one side and it is another one. Thank you so much for watching. All additional information about the tools could be found in the description of each video tutorial. Also, you can find a lot of links there. Good luck in crocheting and see you next time. It was Maria from Crochet Fashion. Bye!